This is a Moen Hydra Energetix hand shower, model 200HO, where we found the water flow just wasn't sufficient to get shampoo quickly out of your hair, and the family was complaining. So we looked into how to increase water flow, and it's actually very simple. Obviously, afterwards, your water flow will not meet the original standard, which looks like their spec was 1.75 gallons per minute, so you might need to check with your local municipality to see if you're allowed or not. All you need is a scribe or a needle would work, and the task really is just to remove this rubber grommet O-ring that they make very easily accessible. So again, all you need to do is come in with a scribe or a other pointed object, grab that O-ring and remove it, and it's that simple. Now there is another restrictor in there, but we found there's probably 5 to 10 times the water flow just by doing that. Hope this helps.